What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Brick by Brick. Today I'm going to be showing you how to build a mini version of the brick bank. I personally think that this is a very good one. Even though it doesn't look like it has a lot of detail, I feel like it was simple and yet satisfying to build. And I hope you enjoy building this. And without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. So everybody, the pieces you will be needing are right here. We're going to start off with a 4x4 dark gray base plate. And we're going to take a 1x2 brick with holes in it. And then a, a 1x2 brick with little holes sticking out. And then a 1x1 dark gray brick, and I'll stick it right there. And then a 4x1 dark gray brick, and a 3x1 dark gray brick. So guys, here we have pieces for step number 2. We are going to be taking this 1x1 dark gray stud. Well, not a stud. Oh my gosh, I'm tripping on my words. Just this piece right here, okay? See this? That's the piece you're gonna need. And we're just gonna stick it right there. I'm just gonna do that so it makes like a V without the bottom. And then we're going to take this 1x1 with a stud on the top and stick it right there. Then this light gray angle piece that is smooth on the top and stick it right there. And then this 2x2 dark gray piece with studs. And then a 1x2 piece with a smooth top. Just gonna stick them on either side. And then this brown cheese wedge right on that stud right there. And then to kick it off, we are going to take this right here, and we're going to make sure that this is facing that way. And then we can just stick it on top, and we are done with the base. And with that, let's go on to step 3. So guys, step 3 pieces right here. This is a tiny step. We are going to be taking this 1x2 brick with a texture, and we are going to be taking this 1x1 black piece with a little like circular thing on it, and then a 1x1 studded piece that is white, sticking it right there. Then we are going to take this 1x1 brick and this fent, and we're going to stick the fent right there. Then we are going to stick this 1x1 circular plate right there, and then these two 1x1 white plates. And with that, we are done with the 3rd step. On to the 4th. The 4th step is probably the most easy step. We're just going to be taking this right here, and then these things that we just built. We are going to take this one and stick it right in the back, and then this one, sticking it right there. And as I said, that was very easy, so on to the next step. Okay, everybody, for this last step, we are going to be taking a Yoda-esque green and a 2x1 light gray plate, smooth on the top, no studs, and then a 1x1 black piece that has like a little like circular thing on the end, and then a 1x1 plate that is white, stick it right there, and this 1x2 light gray brick with texture, and just so you know, I think it looks better this way with the textured part on top and then this part on bottom. And maybe you like it differently, so you can do it differently, but I personally like it like this. And then a 1x2 kind of dark brown log looking piece. I'm just gonna stick it right there. And then for the very last part, you can take it and stick it right there. And with that, we have completed the brick bank. And if any of you guys who are watching right now have built any of my other DIYs on mini modular buildings, you can do the very satisfying part of just sticking it in with the other ones. So everybody, thank you so much for watching. It means a lot. And comment down below if you built the brick bank, and if you guys get me to 15 subscribers, I will do a early release on how to build a mini assembly square. And so a way you can help me get to 15 subscribers is by just sharing with your friends or family this video. And that would mean a lot more than just watching the video. And please subscribe, because that would also mean a lot. And I'll see you in my next video.